to finish the sessions also, like there are other speakers also. But anyway, he will be there even tomorrow and anytime like to talk. And on the third day, we have a session of his own program, exactly, procedures we can learn. Just now we heard from our Sri Ramesh Kumarji, Speaker of the House, Honorable person, that he has some official work and he's not able to come. So he may be joining us tomorrow or something. Let us wait and see for that. But anyway, we have to start the program with the lightning. But anyway, after the brain tap also, I think we can do the lightning of the lamp. Because I have undergone through brain tapping what Rita Mahajan has done to me. I have experienced it. It's a very nice way of the program. What is she? Actually, I underwent it. That's the reason I'm just telling about it. It's not for a joke's sake, but really it's an amazing technique. So first and foremost, we will inaugurate the lighting of the lamp, and then we can have a good lunch also. So I call upon on the stage, on the dais, our great lady who is behind for the program, and already Rita, she has spoken quite a lot about her. All of us know who is she now. That is that is nothing but a chairperson, Dr. S. Kanta. She is a former and when I just spoke to her, she was telling me, just mention that I'm a first lady VC, RUHS. Miss, we are really proud to be that first a person is there. Shakti, what we call. Shiva will be there, but definitely Shakti is an active person. So for Shiva to be more active, Shakti has to be there. And madam, I request you to do that. And one more Shakti we have already heard and know and met about her. She is a Rita also. An amazing person with the instrument wise, the way he explains and guides. Nothing but our managing director, Dr. I.V. Reddy sir. But if you just see him, he is just a silent man and everything. Like with the instrument part and explanation part, amazing he is. Is really, sometimes thrice I have met him, like he's a really a great gentleman. I am calling him also. Then all the way from so many hours of journey and traveling from country to country, he has come and just now he has given a small brief introduction about a brain tap. I do call on Patrick sir to come and light. And one more lady exactly we are going to talk about. She has already come over here to us for the lighting the lamp. There is nothing but Jacqueline Jacques, international expert in quantum technology. She has also come from France. Just for before lighting the lamp, there will be an invocation.
Amma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Krishnaya Govindani Gopijala Vallabhaya Padaya Paramapurushaya Paramatmani Paramakun Mantra Tantra Yantra Hauskara Sastra Sastrami Saukara Saukara Brityor Mojaya Mojaya Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarshanaya Jwala Pariraya Charavatik Chomaraya Rupat Chanpate Param Shobise Swaha. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Shah Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Pratyorma शान्तिः.
Thank you very much for lighting the lamp of today's program. Now I request our major person, a chairperson, Dr. S. Kanta Farmer, just to give.
Hari Om. Salutation to the Almighty. Invoking the lamp, we prayed the Supremo to remove the darkness from us and let light be glowing all round. This light is not anywhere outside. You can see the glowing lights on the dais. These are the stalwarts who are sitting on the dais, who means the light is there in us, but there is no darkness. So that is the message they wanted to pass on to us, and how nice it is to hear from them. And I am really grateful to these august stalwarts who are into the practice. They are all practiced, I should say, in Hinduism, Brahmas, Shiva, Vishnu, all three Rupas are there. Such a divine presentation. We are overwhelmed. You, Dr. Patrick, and Madam Jaslene, and Reddy Garu, and my beloved Ritu, who is the main person who is into this. It's very amazing. And I should wish off the dais all my wonderful delegates, friends, and lovable children who are here. Because I think I am the oldest here, so I call you all as my children. That is all. I love you all, and you have to love me. Whether you love or not, I take that forgiveness. She has given me another word. And I say, a human being must have two things. One is a gratitude, another is the love. A person who has no love for others, no gratitude for the others, then I don't call them as human beings, something else. Let us not call about that. Now she has added something else, forgiveness, love and forgiveness. Wonderful. So, these things very rare to get. And one of the main persons for this is our beloved Rita. Somehow she caught me, and the truth is this. I was traveling from Vaidehi near Whitefield, where I am, I think 18 years since then. Ram Prakash knows about me, my faculty are here. And this is the 18th year. So it takes about nearly 2 hours, 15 minutes to reach my destination, that is JP Nagar 3rd phase. So this 2 hours, 3 minutes, 15 minutes I think, she started, Rita, at about 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. Ma'am, atom. Then I said, what is this atom? Very little. What do you know about this? She started giving me the main lecture. My goodness, how I don't know how I spent this 2 hours, 15 minutes. I was, in the end, I said, congratulations, my dear, for your excellent knowledge, what you have got. I'm really proud of you. This has to be, not only you cannot keep it inside, you have to spread it out. How to spread? Then she thought of having and calling all the genius who are there on the dais and conducting a small CME program or conference. She arranged this within a month's time. Imagine how great she is, what an energy is flowing in her. Hope she will pass on some energy to me. She did it day before yesterday, otherwise I would not have come today. Thank you, ma'am. And added to that, our Mr. Reddy Garu, a very silent person, very straightforward, very sincere to the core, and a honest man. Very rare to find these people in this present era. But we have to thank these two people for giving us a chance to learn more about us. In self we have everything, but we have not seen interior, what is there. That's why they have come here to teach us to know you thyself, who you are. Then only we can achieve our goal. Without knowing with this solid, heavy body, as an anatomist I know, the body is full of, Varsha will agree, fat, muscle, joints, bones, and so many organs, so many systems, but we don't know what is there inside. The corpus we dissect, of course, dead body. When we dissect, I used to think, yes, what happened to this breath? There is the only one. When it is gone, sattu hoitu. Sattu means, in Kannada we say, that is breath. When it is gone, it will become a cadaver or a dead body. What is this? That's why I took anatomy as my pet subject. Even though the OBG was waiting for me, obstetric and gynecology, I wanted to be with my students and also know something about this. And I think a chance is given to me now with the great stalwarts who can teach us a lot. And I want the team from Vaidehi, they have come here, the faculty, who are all professors, very senior people. They are into this meditation as well as spiritualism. Hope Rita will take them into her hands and try to develop this furthermore. Because this has reached only a few people. It has to reach a common man. Because what she has explained now is very, very alarming. And just now I heard our Honorable Patrick also, my goodness, it is really, I don't know whether I have brain or not. The way in which he took the neurons for a drive, I thought I don't know anything about brain anatomy. So when he came to frontal lobe, occipital lobe and parietal, then now the lobes are there in me also. So this is how it is inside, but I don't know anything about this. This is the negligence of my own self, or what she said, the energy. Hope they will try to awaken our Kundalini, let the subtle body come up, and let the third eye also open, and let these two eyes just visualize something, but the inner eye has to be opened by these great stalwarts. I thank one and all for giving me a chance. Manjula, thank you very much, dear. She is into this, and I just wanted to, Dr. Pratibha, we just wanted to just to say, not a felicitation, it is just encouraging her to progress further and bring, yes, so see that Swami Vivekananda says, isn't it? Arise, awake till you reach your goal. So she has not reached her goal. She will reach her goal with these honors, I think. Thank you.
It's a great pleasure, exactly. The way the madam has spoken. Just earlier to the session start part we were talking. She's a Shakti, that's what she was mentioning. Rita, she was telling, I'll be a Lakshmi for it. Lakshmi means Dana Lakshmi, Dana Lakshmi, all Lakshmis, exactly, she is there. So, when you, madam, you say you don't have any brain action and something, I think we also are nothing, then we will be a zero for that. So that's encouragement what you have given for our Rita madam is really excellent, and she will definitely do it. She is the one lady who will awaken anyone who is sleeping or resting. That is really sure about it. That's really nice of it. Thanks.
Tomorrow, it is not the right time to pay vote of thanks because we are in the beginning itself. And anyway, because it gives me great pleasure to extend the formal invitation to all of you. I am very happy that Dr. Madam Kanta has been associating with us ever since we have sown the seed of this conference, and she has given the great support for us to make this conference a successful one. Thank you very much, Madam. And I extend my wholehearted welcome to you once again for all the speakers and the participants. And luckily we got many doctors because of Kanta Madam and other friends. Please enjoy these 2 days. We have provided a sumptuous lunch, I feel. So please, we will break for the lunch. And because we are running short of the time, please take half an hour and come back. This is my humble request. And one more request.
here, so this is